Immaculate College for Women Arts and Science affiliated to Tiruvallur University, Kadalur. If you want to be a job generator, then your right choice is Immaculate College for Women. Here, the Department of Botany Hartley presents this video. Botany is the eldest daughter of medicine. Plants play a vital role in our life. We get various and valuable medicinal drugs from plants to treat various diseases. Now let's see how plant helps to protect us from the coronavirus. This is the SARS-CoV-2 virus. It must infect living cell in order to reproduce. It uses its spike like a key to get inside your body to build a component of new virus. It transmitted by infected person by droplet. Once spike virus inserts into a receptor molecule, it doesn't need to enter the host cell nucleus. It directly accesses the parts of host cell called ribosome. Ribosome use genetic material from virus to make number of copies of viral protein. Coronavirus can cause infections like difficulty breathing, chest pain, coughing, fever and chills, confusion, headache, muscle pain, fatigue. This is the overview about the coronavirus. Now let us take a look on medicinal plant prevention in this pandemic, which is unfamiliar to all of us, that is licorice and oregano. Licorice is a herbaceous perennial legume native to Western Asia, North Africa and South Europe. Licorice root, which is considered one of the world's oldest herbal remedies, comes from the root of licorice plant. It is traditionally used in Chinese medicine and other natural practice for centuries. Glycyrrhizin, liquidity and glabridin are the active substances present in licorice. Licorice root extract contain antiviral activity against coronavirus and antioxidant property, which is effective against the virus and for the protection of liver function and tumors. Licorice root extract and its glycyrrhizin may help to treat the peptic ulcer. The root is used as a sweetening and flavoring agent. These are the different flavored licorice sticks. The next plant is oregano. Oregano is a perennial herb with creeping root. It is cultivated in Mexico, Italy and Turkey. In India, it is found in temperate Himalayas from Kashmir to Sikkim. Oil of oregano is known for its antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant property. The compound present in oregano is carvacrol, thymol and terpene. Main compound in oregano is carvacrol, which is more effective against certain virus as well as SARS-CoV-2. Oregano oil was more effective against respiratory virus. A 2017 study found that oregano essential oil extracted from leaves has strong antioxidant properties. Research conducted in 2011 found that essential oil in oregano can inhibit both human and animal in vitro virus. Oregano oil possesses carbonative diuretic. This is the short review of coronavirus versus medicinal plant. So, wear a perfectly fitted mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Clean your hands frequently with alcohol-based hand rub or use soap and water to clean your hands often. Maintain a safe distance from others at least 1 meter even if they don't appear to be sick, and we should avoid crowd and close contact. It's your turn. Follow the local guidance about vaccination. Get vaccinated as soon as to stop coronavirus. Union is strength. Likewise, we all united together to protect our earth from coronavirus. And we hope that you all like this video. Until then, thank you from Department of Botany. Flower always makes the people happier and our Immaculate College always makes the bright students. Stay safe. Thank you all.